Following many safety incidents, there is often a frustration that the cause of that incident should have been painfully obvious to us all along. Hindsight is a wonderful thing, we say. But why is this so, do you think? Could it be that for the first time we are actually looking seriously at the hazard? Could it be that when we decided to undertake the activity, more time was put into how to do it and less time into thinking about what could go wrong? Hazards have a way of finding us. Their goal is seek and destroy. A key role you can take on to make a huge impact on safety in your workplace is to try and identify possible hazards and near-miss risks and report them to your manager, supervisor, site contact person, or WHS representative. Imagine if every employee after this Toolbox talk identified one hazard in their work or work area, reported this to their team leader or manager, and assisted to take control of that hazard. Imagine how much safer your workplace would be.